Hello YouTube, I'm Safidi from YouTube and I'm back with another video. So in this video we're going to be talking about the Galaxy S10. So this is going to change everything. Not everything obviously, but the Samsung phones will no longer be same because they're going to change the whole design this time. So the gap between Galaxy S9 and S10 will be the biggest gap between any phones any phone company has done. So everything will be changed. So first of all, we will start with the name of the phone. It is going to be the Galaxy S10, but we have three models: the Galaxy S10 Lite, S10 and S10 Plus. The S10 Lite will be like the iPhone's XR, and the S10 will be more like the XS, and the S10 Plus will be the XS Max. So three models. So Apple and Samsung, yeah, we can see similarity. Well, what about the screen size? We have two screen sizes, the 5.8 inch and 6.2. 5.8 for the S10 Lite and S10 model, so, and the 6.2 for the Plus. The screens will be obviously OLED, and it will be called the Infinity O. Yeah, so they call it the Infinity O because they have a circular camera, and for that camera they do not have a notch, but it is fully screen. We have a camera in between the screen. That's very good. So we are gonna have bezel-less phone, full display, more like the Mi Mix that we had, but that was not so successful, even though its hardware was very good. But it's gonna be Samsung, so they might do something else. So the size of the phone will be smaller than the S9. Why? Because it's gonna be full screen, so the bezels are reduced, so the phone will get smaller. That's a good thing. We like smaller phones with big displays, and that's what's happening. And there is a rumor that there will be 4 colors in the Samsung S10. So not every country will have access to the colors, but it depends on the region. So yeah, region depends, but there are 4 colors. And I have heard that there is also a yellow color, so maybe if you want to buy that. I do not like yellow. So what about the camera, front camera on the display? Yeah, I said that it would be on the screen, but it is on the left. And I have heard a rumor that says that there will be dual front cameras. Then where will be the second camera? Both of them? No, not at the same spot, but maybe one to the left or one to the right. Maybe that makes sense, but in my opinion there will be one camera, so I can keep sticking to my opinion. For me, there will be one camera. I like one front camera. On the back, things have changed. There will be 3 cameras. They are rumored. I don't know really if there will be or not, and the cameras will be horizontal. So we have 3 cameras in a column. Why add 3 cameras? You know, the third camera has been added for better tracking of 3D objects, so that's its purpose. I hope we get some really good results from those 3 cameras, otherwise it will be a waste. Why not use 1 or 2? So Samsung, make it good. So what if you plan to buy the Lite version? The Lite version do not have a curved display. That's a big problem. What I like about Samsung's curved display, but not having that, you know, then there is no point of buying that. But if you want to buy it still, yeah, you can buy it. I'm not stopping you. Well, you hated iPhone for having no headphone jack, and that's what they are gonna do. Samsung, they are also removing the headphone jack, and that's a rumor, so just pray to God so that they should not remove it. Otherwise, go ahead and buy dongles. So as you guys know, there will be full display. Where's the unlocking system? Well, there's no iris scanner, so we have a fingerprint sensor in the screen, but not as the previous models of phones that we had recently. They were comparatively slower than the Face ID. They call it the ultrasonic. Samsung call it the ultrasonic. That would be much faster, and that's a great thing. I like fingerprint sensors more than the Face ID, so that's a good point. So guys, what do you think about the specs? Do you think this would be a game changer? Yeah, I think yes. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Peace out.